In this week's video, I will be doing a vlog showing you all of the animals that we have on our farm. Hey, it's Thursday, and I think today I'm planning on going out to ride my horse, and then we'll see what else the day holds. I got Cookie in 2020 when she was 9 years old, so she is now 15 years old. My niece and I went to get ice cream, and I couldn't resist buying these gluten-free cones as I have never had them before. They were fairly good.
Good morning. Today is Friday, and we have morning chores this morning, and then I have work this afternoon. Today is Saturday. I have work this morning, and then this afternoon I will be going to my cousin's daughter's birthday party.
I can't believe we've had Gibby for 5 weeks already. He is now 13 weeks old. I got Scout in December of 2021 when he was 11 weeks old. He is going to be 5 years old in September this year. Tank is 8 years old. Barry the cockatiel is 2 years old.
So it's Sunday afternoon, and I just came back inside after observing my sister and brother-in-law finish building the chicken tractor. They just left to go get our broiler chickens, and we're going to put them in it when they get back.